Welcome to Like Health. Did you know a simple glass of okra water at night could transform your health? In this video, we're revealing the surprising benefits of drinking okra water before bed. From improving digestion to balancing blood sugar, this natural remedy has some powerful secrets. You might be shocked at how it can help you sleep better and feel more energized. And the best part? It's easy to prepare and add to your nightly routine. Stay with us until the end to learn the right way to make it and when to drink it for maximum results. Don't miss this chance to discover a simple habit that could make a big difference in your life. Let's talk about what actually happens when you drink okra water before bed. First off, it helps balance your blood sugar levels. This isn't just some random internet claim. Okra contains soluble fiber and plant compounds that slow down how quickly sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. That means fewer blood sugar spikes at night, which can help you wake up feeling more refreshed and less groggy. Another thing, okra is incredibly soothing to the digestive system. Its natural gel-like texture, called mucilage, coats the stomach and intestines, easing digestion and promoting smoother bowel movements. If you're someone who deals with bloating, gas, or constipation, this can make a real difference overnight. And hey, if you're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It helps more people discover natural solutions just like this. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Okra contains magnesium and other calming nutrients that may support your nervous system. This can actually help you fall asleep faster and get into deeper stages of rest. So if you're tossing and turning at night, that simple glass of okra water could be exactly what your body's been asking for. Over time, there's also a heart benefit. Okra helps reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, thanks to its fiber and antioxidants. That translates to better circulation, less inflammation, and long-term protection for your heart. So we're not just talking about a trendy health drink here. We're talking about a simple natural routine that can help regulate your blood sugar, improve digestion, support better sleep, and even protect your heart while you sleep. But it doesn't stop there. Okra water has more to offer than most people realize. It's also incredibly rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenol, which help reduce oxidative stress. That means it may protect your cells from early aging and reduce inflammation at a cellular level. And when inflammation goes down, everything starts to work better. Your joints, your skin, even your immune system. There's also an effect on appetite regulation. Okra's fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer. So if you're trying to manage your weight, drinking it before bed might help reduce late-night cravings or mindless snacking. It works almost like a natural appetite suppressant, without any side effects. Another fascinating benefit is its potential impact on the liver. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in okra can support liver detoxification processes. That's especially helpful if you're dealing with fatigue or sluggish digestion. It's like giving your liver a gentle, nightly reset. And don't overlook the skin benefits. When your body is detoxing properly and inflammation is lower, your skin often becomes clearer and more balanced. You may notice fewer breakouts, better hydration, and even a more even tone over time. Even your immune system can benefit. Okra contains vitamin C and other nutrients that help strengthen your defenses. So if you're someone who catches colds easily or struggles with energy dips, this small habit might give you the edge you need. It's amazing how one simple drink, taken consistently, can work on so many systems at once, quietly, while you sleep. So, here's the bottom line, okra water isn't just another health trend. It's a simple, affordable, and natural way to support your body from the inside out. You don't need fancy supplements or complicated routines, just a glass before bed. And the best part? The benefits build up over time, quietly working while you sleep. Better digestion, balanced blood sugar, deeper sleep, a stronger heart, it's all connected. If you've been looking for a small change with big impact, this could be it. But remember, consistency is key. Try it for a week and see how your body responds. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps more people discover these natural health tips. Your support means a lot and keeps us creating content that empowers your health journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new